Going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today's video, I have a quick install for you guys. It's time to get rid of my ghetto hood prop. As you can see, I have a breaker bar there. So I'm not too sure if this is going to work or not because there's mixed reviews with caster camber plates, but we're going to give it a shot. Hopefully it works. So I'll show you guys what I got. So guys, obviously today's video is on the Cobra. And this is a pretty quick install, guys. Like I said before, I don't know if it's actually going to work or not, but I'm really tired of having to use a pry bar or breaker bar to hold my freaking hood up. So I did go ahead and I bought the hood strut kit from American Muscle. It's the cheaper one because I wasn't sure if it was going to work. So it's not the MRT, it's the cheaper one that they offer. So as you can see, we have our struts. I already have one bracket and out already, the bottom and the top bracket. So this bracket will go to your hood. This bracket will go to your fender, and I'll show you guys exactly what bolts those are going to be. So you're going to unloosen the top bolt here, and then this bracket is going to go there, and then so on and so forth with your hood. This bracket right here, this long one, it fits into the studs of your hood like so, but for whatever reason mine does not want to clear right there. So I'm going to see if maybe I could shift the hood bracket over maybe a little bit or something. I don't know, we'll figure it out. But I'm gonna do the fender bracket really quick because it should be pretty simple and straightforward to do. So I'm gonna do that, and then I'll let you guys know what I do with the hood. All right guys, so it does look like we're gonna be actually really good with the caster camber plates. I don't come anywhere near them. So this bracket gets oriented like this. It gets bolted to the two hood bolts, the bolts for your hinge. And then, like I said before, this one bracket goes to the fender right there. So now your strut gets oriented with the rod side down. So I'm going to snap this on. It just pushes right on. And we'll go do the other side. And hopefully we don't have to use the good old trusty breaker bar anymore. Guys, so like I said, just a quick install today. I got the hood strut on. They have these little tabs right here that you have to swing out and then pull out to get your piston to go on, and then you vice versa, you put them back in and swing them over. There's a lot of misinformation on the web. I could speak for the SR Performance caster camber plates. It will clear them, no issues whatsoever. So just keep that in mind when you're doing this. It depends on the caster camber plates that you have, but for me, they honestly clear by a very large amount. So I really don't think these are going to be an issue. I'm not too sure. Maybe it's like one brand caster camber plates, but I only have one hood strut on right now. And as you can see, it's holding my hood open perfectly fine. So I'm going to go do the other side off camera, but that's how you install these. Very simple. One bolt down below, two bolts on the hood, put your brackets on, tighten everything up. Make sure you don't do both at the same time because you're going to lose your hood gap and everything, and you really don't want to be adjusting like a fender and hood again or anything like that. So just make sure you do one side at a time and you'll be okay. The hood's not going to move on you. Just be careful, like don't go jarring the hood around or anything. But it's a very simple install. It says takes 1 hour. Honestly, I've been doing this for like 1 minute, maybe 2. So yeah. Guys, well, there you have it. No more breaker bar hood prop or pry bar hood prop. Very annoying, very annoying. Every time I gotta open the hood, I gotta look for something to hold the hood open, and it's just so annoying. So I just wanted to do a quick install video for you guys on these because there's a lot of misinformation online about caster camber plates and will they fit, will they not fit. So I just want to get that out there that I do have caster camber plates and they do fit. I can't speak for all brands, but for mine particularly, SR Performance, you will be able to use this hood strut kit. I don't care what the website says. As you can see, it's being used. So yeah. If you guys like what you saw in today's video, please drop a like on this video, drop a comment down below, subscribe to the channel, guys. Please subscribe to the channel. We have a goal of 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year. We are currently at 828 subscribers. You guys are killing it. You really are. I really appreciate all of you returning to the videos and everything. But that's all I have for you today. So until next time, Buster, till next time. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Friday, 12 p.m. You know the deal. Peace out.
Suspects are in custody this afternoon, now facing charges after a police-involved shooting in Newark overnight.
After the overnight shootout between officers and at least 2 gunmen. People nearby describing the scene around midnight as a tense standoff. Investigators say Newark officers had been patrolling the area when they confronted the suspects, one of them pointing a gun at the officers.